Hello, guys, welcome to our Smart Study channel. I hope you all are doing well, and today's video is on the first chapter of Science-1, that is Gravitation. Hey guys, started studying for Standard 10, so you are on the right channel. Please go throughout the whole video. If you find any difficulty through any question related to this chapter, please comment down below. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you. So guys, as we all know that gravitation chapter is only for 5 marks, as I have noted down the weightage of the chapters. So in this chapter nothing much is coming for the exam, so we'll just do which is important as per the board exams, and even in the school exams also the main part is coming from the chapter is the Kepler's law. So the point which I have marked here, gravitational force is a universal force until between two objects in universe. So you can underline this part as it can come for fill in the blanks. And from this page, only the force and motion is important. A force is necessary to change the speed as well as the direction of the motion of the object. This is important, and you can also learn what are Newton's law of motion. The three laws of Newton we have to learn from for this chapter. It can come in the exam. Now just moving on the next page. Actually, for my exam I have underlined this all the sentences, but from the practice exam till the boards nothing has come from this box. So but never take the risk, you can also just underline the parts and make that in mind. So over here, this page is important for the centripetal force, which is a very prominent question which comes for every exam like practice exam, unit test, first semester, and even for boards. So centripetal force definition is over here, and you have to by heart it from now. And now over here, this is the main page of the chapter, that is Kepler's law. So we have to keep in mind the first law of the Kepler. If the question comes for 3 to 5 marks, we have to write the first law. The orbit of the planet is an ellipse with sun at one of the foci. Then secondly, we have to draw this diagram, and then we can write the second law of the Kepler, that is the line joining the planet and the sun sweeps equal areas in equal interval of time. Then we have to write the Kepler's third law with this, which I have boxed here. You can learn this much, it will be beneficial for you. Now on this page we have to learn the Johannes Kepler's. He was a German astronomer and a mathematician. And moving onwards, force. This which I have boxed over here, it can come for MCQs, match the following, correlation, much more. So this is much and very important. And the line which I have underlined from here, laws means that if the mass of one object is double, the force between two objects also double. And the second is if the distance is double, the force decreases by factor of 4. This is important and it comes for MCQs, so please keep in mind. And this box is much more important, that is in this box the important is this number, the SI unit of G, that is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 nm square per upon kg square. As we guys, now on this page the sentence I have marked, the center of mass of an object having uniform density is at its centroid. So this comes for MCQs. Actually, this whole chapter comes for MCQs. 3 marks question, and even one give reason is important, and numerical also important, that I'll tell you. But nothing much in this chapter which is most important as per the board. But we have to do it. So the formula of centripetal force is over here, which I have marked here. And here also the inverse square law of gravitation, which is here. And gravitational force is much weaker force. So guys, the page number 6 we are skipping because nothing is there to learn. And over here also the solved example, I just prefer that if you want, if you love to solve the examples or numericals, you can do that. But as per the exam, uh it is not, means it doesn't come as I have experienced at 2023 board. So the numericals were much, not much, and most of it was in options. So this where I have underlined the gravitational force on the due to the earth on a body results in its acceleration. This is called acceleration due to gravity, and it is denoted by g, and acceleration is vector. I suggest you guys that you now you have to learn the definitions, right? So avoid learning definitions from digest. You can use textbook directly. So it is it and as per your choice, because I prefer that you should learn definitions from the textbook word by word. So the value of small g here you can learn from here. Now variations in value of g, it is important. Yes, over here weight is equals to F is equals to mg. Yeah. So actually the box which I have underlined here, this was actually two, that it has also not come from the practice test to the board. I always used to learn this, but nothing doing. This doesn't come only. So, but I hope that it's you will learn that, because it gives us knowledge that light is also type of wave called the electromagnetic wave, and the full form of this LIGO. And now here you can the definition of free fall, it is very important, and the true free fall is possible only in vacuum. Okay, next, now here it's the part of MCQs, most important part. MCQs part, this is, you have to learn this whole. It can come in MCQs, correlation, true or false, everything. So please do it. Now the definition of escape velocity, and the box which I have shown here. See, here is the definition of escape velocity. Here this is the value of escape velocity. And guys, now we have done with this chapter. So what I told, that don't take much pressure of this chapter, as it is only for 5 marks. But you can do whatever I have told, it will be easy for you. And over here I suggest that you can take exercise from any other channel on the YouTube, or you can prefer your digest or anything from you, take the answers. And which is the most important, you have to do everything from the exercise. But the most important is this: give reason, explain why the value of g is 0 at the center of the earth, and this question. And the numerical, the first one is very 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 important. Others you can just practice it out, but hope that will come for exam. But this is the much important, and it can come in another manner also. So all the best, do your well. Thank you guys.